Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today we're discussing the Rolex Oyster Perpetual GMT-Master II. This is a variant launched in 2013. It is the 116710BLNR, the blue and the black. It was the first blue and black bezel GMT-Master II. The watch is 40 millimeters in diameter and 904L steel. More on that in a moment. In terms of profile, you can see the watch is 51 millimeters from end link to end link, and if we measure just the case, 48 millimeters is the lug-to-lug dimension, and it's 12.1 millimeters thick with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Oyster style bracelet with a conforming end link. You can see polished outer faces, polished center links, polished center stripe through the clasp. The 904L steel extends from case to bracelet. It's a type of high nickel content steel that is essentially immune from corrosion in the face of industrial acids of a certain nature, but more importantly, sea salt and sweat. So if you don't rinse it immediately, unlike a lot of 316L steels, this will not corrode. We'll throw this on my wrist real quick before we get into the clasp features, and you can see that it wears nicely on a 16 centimeter circumference wrist. I'll peel back the layer of my glove right there, and you can see a little bit how this sits. So we got some clearance. My wrist is 16 centimeters circumference. Here's your over-the-top angle. Here's down the barrel. I really feel like you could wear this on a slightly smaller wrist. So my wrist is 16. Let's say this will work on a 15 centimeter circumference wrist. Now jumping back to the clasp, this is an Oyster clasp with two locking factors. Note the media blasted center channel there. And we've got this spring-loaded lift lock system with a little beak, and then there's a hook inside the clasp. This closes. This is a Rolex certified pre-owned piece. So you get all the advantages accruing there too. These two different locks ensure that the clasp locks twice. Just keep that in mind. There are two locks here for extra security. The case is 100 meters water resistant, screwed in Oyster case back, screw down trip lock crown, 3 dots, all symmetrical. That means a steel trip lock. Bidirectional rotating bezel. The first GMT Master arrived in 1954. It was for pilots at Pan Am Airlines. The idea being that you would set the time to Greenwich Mean Time. You had a 12-hour hand and a 24-hour hand, and they were geared together, so they couldn't initially be set separately. And then you would, relative to the 24-hour hand, offset, because you have it set to Greenwich Mean Time, you'd apply the GMT offset, either plus or minus, that relates to your destination airport, and it would give you the time at the destination. Now in 1983, the GMT Master II arrived, and that had a true second time zone that could be portrayed by an independently mobile 12-hour hand. So now you can see I could jump the date forward or backwards depending on whether I'm traveling east or west. Seconds hand keeps on keeping on. The 24-hour hand is not affected. If I want to hack the movement, stop the balance, I can set everything in sync. I've got those two independent time zones, 12 and 24, and using the bezel, I can temporarily read a third time zone if that 24-hour hand is set to Greenwich Mean Time. Cerachrom ceramic bezel insert. It's actually one piece. Rolex achieves the two colors by a heat treatment effect. And then you can see all the characters, the numerals, the indices. They're actually platinum PVD deposits so that they'll be consistent and stable in terms of color over time. We have a black lacquer dial with white gold hands and indices. They won't tarnish due to oxidation. And then we've got a case that is squared off and sheer. This is the so-called super case you probably heard about. Inside, Rolex manufactured caliber 3186, 31 joules, 4 hertz beat rate, bidirectional winding with a 48-hour power reserve, dual time, 12 24-hour display, hacking seconds. We've got a COSC chronometer certification. Rolex goes beyond that, taking the chronometer certified movement, casing it up, testing it in 6 positions as a fully built watch to ensure that it runs no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours. That is the superlative chronometer standard. It's got a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance. The hairspring is a hand-shaped Breguet overcoil, so no matter what position the watch is in on your wrist or your dresser, it's going to keep consistent time. The centered mass of an overcoil makes that possible. Gravity has less effect. That overcoil is also a blue oxidized niobium zirconium, which means it is a highly anti-magnetic alloy. Rolex calls that cerachrom blue. So there is a lot to love inside of this watch, not just the iconic exterior. If you're a traveler, if you're a pilot, if you're an armchair pilot and you just love the lore of aviation, this is a great way to enjoy it. And if you've got friends, family, or business associates in far-flung locations, this can also be very helpful. And as you can see, Rolex chrome light blue and all 4 hands luminescent. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex factory original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company, the certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.